In today's video, I got a Z-Grill's 2021 pellet grill, and I'm gonna do the unboxing, the assembly, and burn off on this blind box limited edition special.
Z-Grills is doing a brand new blind box promotion for their pellet grills, and today we're gonna take a dive in and see what we got.
My name is Tommy, and this is the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, and this here is the unboxing of the Z-Grill's pellet grill blind box.
Well, that's where I'd check out all 5 grills that are available. And if you look at those grills and say, yeah, I'd really be happy with any of them, this is a great promotion for you to consider. Now, if you want to get your own blind box, check out the description below. We'll have links to all of the individual grills that are available in the blind box promotion, so you can check those out before you make that purchase.
Please be the good one. No whammy, no whammy, no whammy.
So we just got this blind box from Z-Grills. Never had a pellet grill before, so we're real interested to see what we got. So we're gonna open it up and see. There we go.
I'm ready to open it up. I've got my knife. I'm ready to have at it. So let me go ahead and crack this thing open. Then I'm going to ask these guys for a drum roll. All right, drum roll, please. We got a... Okay, it looks like we have a ZPG 600 2B2, which means this is a 600 square inch pellet grill. So we're excited to get this one, right, Ethan?
Yeah.
Wow! I got the Fire Beast, the 600 series in blue. Check it out.
The Wood Pellet Grill's ZPG 550B2.
You know what, guys? There is a lot easier way to do this. That was easy. I got the 700, which is the secret one that you could get for a fraction of the price with the blind box.
Is it good? That's awesome. I'm happy with this grill.
Wish me luck. Thank you, Z-Grill.
Thank you, Z-Grills.
Thank you, Z-Grill. Always a pleasure.
Thanks, Z-Grills.
Thank you, Z-Grill.
Thank you.